Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to week 5. And I get a little confused with this because this is when we convert to a different chapter than the week. So week 5, chapter 4. Today's healthcare environment. Really interesting chapter. Watch the video. It's got a lot of cool information based on healthcare today. So be sure to take your time and review everything that you can related to the chapter. It's pretty interesting. And also, you have your review questions. Just to note, you can take them 2 times. It's meant for studying. It's meant for your first exam that's coming up. So take your time. If you don't like the grade you got the first time, redo it. No worries. So I'm hopeful that you took the time to do some APA writing in week 4. You didn't have review questions, right? So I'm hopeful that you took the time to get your paper started. You have something ready to go. Some of you had emailed me asking questions. That's awesome, totally fine. If anyone else has questions, please reach out. I'm happy to help in any way I can. I think overall, people are doing good in this course. I think if you take your time and learn the material, you'll be totally fine. There's a lot of terms, but luckily with it being online, you have the ability to do most of your tests open book. So that's going to be really helpful. Hey, another thing, you can post questions in this APA questions and tips area. Feel free to use that. And I know no one's used the community forum yet, but you can use that as well if you want to talk to other students or talk to me without emailing me, and I'll be sure to answer it any way I can. But overall, people are doing well. Take your time. Get as much done in week 4 as you can. Continue to work on your APA paper. Take a look at the notes. It's different when you talk about health maintenance organizations and preferred provider organizations. So look at those. They're confusing. Don't feel like you have to memorize everything related to them. But take your time and have fun reviewing this chapter because I think it's a lot of interesting facts that you'll uncover. If you need anything, please let me know. I'm hopeful that you have a good week. And if you're watching this on the weekend, enjoy your weekend. Thanks so much.